Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? We're back in Tinkercad. Yeah. Okay, so once again, you guys probably saw the thumbnail. Me and Troy are having another challenge. So he got to choose the topic or design for the challenge this time, and he chose a door, like a working door for like a house or whatever. So we have to, yeah, try to get the hinges working, and then we might try to even make some internal parts. Oh, I don't know. I mean, we're not gonna have like a metal spring in it and stuff like a real door would probably have in it. I'm trying to think of how a normal door opens and closes, like with the knob, you know. But anyway, let's start on our door, and we for surely have to get the hinges working, and we might even try to make the doorknob function somehow. Maybe not like a regular door, but how we want it. So anyway, let's just start. We'll just kind of make it up as we go. So let's actually just make it real. We're gonna start off making it kind of simple because I want to see if some of the stuff even works. You know. So let's have a base for the frame to. Yeah, we want like a base for the frame. So let's make a little platform like this, and then see we'll have like a door frame. Yeah, come up and around, you know, and then for our door to go in. So we're not going to be too fussy. Let's see. This is too wide though. Let's is 10 going to be too small of a frame? I don't know. Okay, 10. That seems pretty small. Let's go 15 by 15. Okay, hey, did you guys have a good Christmas? Anybody get a 3D printer? Oh, that'd be cool. Ooh, or even some filament would be a good gift. Ah, yeah. Okay, let's just kind of, like I said, we're not going to spend too much time on these, you know, trying to make everything perfect. So let's just get it moving, basically, so we can have most of our time for trying to get the hinge and maybe some kind of mechanism for the doorknob, you know. Okay, let's just slide this pupper over. How wide's the door? Let's go back a little bit here. Okay. Okay, how tall is this? 243. Okay, we'll stick with that for now. 243. Okay, and let's just duplicate this and flip it over. Do. Yeah. Oops, that was not what I wanted to do. Okay, let's just make a little top beam quick. Nothing special. Okay. There, our door's done. It's just an open walkway. Are we gonna win? I'm not sure what Troy's doing. So we'll have to see. I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to like get my door all crazy decorated or how we want to do it, but I want to just see if I can get like a. Oh, I thought of something else too. Do we want it to swing open both ways? You know, most doors just swing one way. Yeah. We're going to have like a stopper strip, you know, so the door only goes one way. And you know, it only opens like this and then closes. So maybe the hinges will be right here. Okay. Well, let's just, I mean, we could do this really ghetto and let's just duplicate this. Let's just make this into our door. So let's just go like this. Whoops. Let's see what it looks like here. Well, here, let's get a different color for the door. What color are doors? Great. Wait. I wish this door frame needs to not be red. It looks too weird. Let's do like a brown door frame, like a wooden door frame. There. We got to be able to visualize it, huh? Okay, so we do have our little setup here. Okay, that'll be fine. Okay. I guess the first thing... Oh, gosh. I don't know if we're... Man, I really don't know if we're going to be able to get, like, a doorknob mechanism inside of that door. Oh, probably not. Here, let's... I'll tell you what I was thinking. Oops, what am I doing? This and this. Oh, man. Yeah. I was thinking of having, like, the knob attached to, like, a gear that's inside the door. So when you turn the knob, it'll turn the gear, and that gear will turn like a little rod that comes out into the door or into the frame. But we'd have to internally fit that all inside there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we might not be able to do that. But we do want to make it... I do want it to kind of close shut and lock a little bit. So I have an idea how we could do it a lot easier. So I guess we'll just do one step at a time. Okay. Now, for the hinges. Now, a real door... Okay, let's see. How could we do this? Well, let's grab a real door. You know, the hinges. There's like a pin that goes down into to connect the two parts. So I wonder if we should do that. Have like a pin type of hinge system. That'd be kind of cool. I've never done that. Okay, let me get it ready because I have a feeling I'm going to fumble around. So I'm going to kind of get a couple things ready and I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, so here's what I came up with. So I have just these 3 little cylinders stacked on top of each other. And there is space. Is there enough space between them? What the heck? How close are these? Oh dear. Let me make these movements smaller. I want like a little bit of leeway, don't we? Yeah. Okay, let's move these out before... Yeah, before we connect them. Okay, that's good. And, oops, let's check the bottom one. I would have done this already. I initially had some space, but I think I had to redo it or something. Hey, yeah, see, this one's got space. This one's got more space. Is that too much space? Okay, let's check it out. Okay, I want it to be a pretty tight fit. Okay, so the only problem is I think if we 3D printed the pin, because see, I'm about to cut a hole through all these. If we 3D printed the pin, I think it would be too small and weak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little tiny nail that has the little flat top on it. And we're just going to drop it down into here and I'll cut it off. So it'll be like a little metal pin, like a real door. So I think that will be awesome, I think. So actually, let's duplicate this. Because what we're going to do is we're going to group the door. And see, the door is going to be attached to this middle one. And these two will be attached to the door frame. So it should make an easy little hinge-a-rooney. So let's just select these. And did we select one of the... Yes, we did. Okay, we selected this. Okay, let's just group it. Okay, and I also... Here, let's move this a little. I also made sure there was a little cut right here, so this would not hit the door, you know? So, like, this will fit right here. So the pin can go in. So, see? And we did that. It's only been... Well, of recording, it's only been 12 minutes. So we can do more decorating on the door. Yeah, so I'll just... You know, we'll print it separate, and then I'll just put it in here and slide the pins in. So let's get this out of the way for a second. Whoa! Yeah, I think that's kind of cool. The problem is, like I said, we'd have to print it huge or really big if we wanted to make a 3D printed pin. And I don't think that's necessary. You know what? So let's just... I'd say we could just group this stuff together now. Okay. There. Okay, that's really cool, because now we can focus on the door itself, because the frame is pretty much done, except... Okay, let's check one more thing. Okay, is that lined up? Okay, so what? It's going to go like that. Why am I fumbling? Okay, let's just say it's going to go like that. Do we want... Okay, and it's going to open towards us. So do we want like a little stopper? Let's check it out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, maybe... Maybe we should have like a little like stopper thingy. Here, you'll see what I mean in a second here. So you get what I'm saying? So when we close the door, most doors would have like a little strip here to stop the door from getting too crazy. Okay, let's see. Does it fit? Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, I just kind of meant like this. We could turn it brown. Oops. Okay. And we just have to pull this baby up. Yeah. That'll be fine. Okay, let's pull it on up. Make sure it's going up in there. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay, there we go. Well, here, we might as well connect it to there, otherwise... Wait, did we even group? I thought we already grouped all that stuff. Oh. We didn't group that side. Okay, whatever. Okay. There we go, look. Yeah, so there we go. See, the door will close and hit this. This will be the stopper, you know. Boop. Oh, crud. I guess we should figure out how it's going to latch close first. Okay, let's stare at it or I'm going to stare at it and take a coffee break. Yeah. Okay, what if we just do something simple, very simple, like this? So, if we had a part... Yeah. If we had part of the little sphere sticking out of the door, and then have a little dent that it fits into. You know, so like, let's say we make another one. So let's duplicate it, turn it to a hole, and then let's put it in here like that. Okay, and now combine that with the frame, so it'll cut. Okay, there. So see, there's a little cut spot now. Yeah. So now if we Here, we got to select this ball. If you ever want to select something that's inside of something, just zoom all the way in until it highlights it, like there. See, now you could now you can select it. There, we got it. And oh, we don't want this selected though. Okay. Uh-oh. Darn it. Okay. Start over. Okay, select the door and the ball. Oops. Come on now. There we go. It shouldn't have been so hard. Okay, now hit group. Okay, so now if we look, see? I think that's fine. So, yeah, so this will just kind of close and snap into there, you know? So very kind of a simple, cheesy way to do it, but at least the door will stay closed, hopefully. Okay, let's get this looking like a actual door. This looks like a door to an insane asylum or something with no windows. We want some windows or something. Okay, let's put this off to the side because we're pretty much done with that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, we are going to... So what we're probably going to do... Oops! What am I doing? Okay, so we're going to have to print this door... We're definitely going to want to print this door laying down. So let's do that. Okay, we'll hit D to drop it. Boop. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's think of what we want to add to it. So I think me and Troy think a lot alike when we are doing these for some reason, these little challenges. And I almost guarantee, I bet he did something with the ring. You know how them cool doors have like that knocker ring on them? So like it'll be like a lion's head with the ring in his mouth. And then you go dunk, dunk, dunk. You like, I have a feeling he did some kind of knocker ring on his. I could be wrong, but probably not. So we are going to not do that. So they're not the same. We're going to do ours more like a normal door. Like let's do some windows and some kind of textures and decoration or wood trim, and we'll just see how it looks. I mean, that might be a little boring, but I kind of want mine to look like a normal house door, because I'm starting to do like miniatures and stuff. I might even build like a little dollhouse or like a room that I can 3D print objects and fill it, you know. So I think having a realistic door might be kind of cool. Okay, so let me get, once again, because sometimes these videos get really long. So I'm going to cut out some window shapes here. And, well, let's see. I was going to pause you guys, but let's just get it kind of rocking here. Oh, we need a little bit faster movements here. See, I'm thinking of just kind of something like this, and I might even, oops, let's see. Let's see, should we delete this one, or I might even try to put some kind of little layer of clear plastic like it, so it looks like it has glass in it. I might try to do that. We'll see. So see, I'm thinking something like this. We'll duplicate it and boring. Okay. Yeah, for the top, for the window of it, like something like this maybe? Okay, I'll come up with a few little things and I'll bring you guys back in to see what we're going to do. Okay, so let's see what I got here. Actually, let's duplicate this so we can, we'll have 2 sets of these cutouts. Cause, yeah, so I made this piece as like a little piece of trim that we will add to this afterwards. We can add it to both sides. We'll print it twice. So here, let's group these together. Okay, so see, we got our holes cut. And then this will be the trim, you know, so this don't look so boring. Yeah. Okay, group. There we go. And yeah, so see, this will go get glued onto here afterwards. And let's cut a flat. Let's see. Does this even have a flat bottom? Let's cut it a little flatter. Okay. Okay, let's change this back to 0.1. Okay, let's cut a little bit off the bottom so it's not quite so thick, and then it's got a nice flat bottom too. Okay, let's raise this up. I want this like kind of flat so it doesn't look too, you know, crazy. Okay, let's just go with that. Okay, and group. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, now are we going to put a piece of... Should I put a real piece of glass in there? Wouldn't that be cool? Or I could find some real sturdy clear plastic, like, you know, like them, you know, when you buy something in the store and it's in like that clear plastic that's really hard to open, like without a scissors. I could probably just, maybe we should make a little indent for some of that plastic to fit in, like, you know. Here, let's see. So here, let's go like this. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Maybe we should make a little depression. That would probably be fine, actually. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, let's drop it down. What? Okay, so that's like a 0.5 millimeter. Yeah, because see, I could cut a little piece of that sturdy little plastic and fit it right in there. Oh, it's going to print weird, though. Oh, because this will be floating above. Uh-oh. Maybe I don't like that idea. Because, see, I want to do everything on both sides. Oh, wait. Well, never mind, never mind. Pretend I didn't say that. We can just add the plastic in on one side. Yeah. Never mind. This will work. So let's actually have it go down like that. Perfect. I think I'm just overthinking it. Okay. Let's group it. There. See? Okay. So we'll cut a piece of thin plastic that'll fit in there. And then glue this on. Oops. Yeah, and then these will get glued onto both sides, so we'll need 2 of them. We'll just leave it... Let's see. We'll just leave it connected for now so we can visualize. Uh-oh. Wait, that should be different. Wait, why does it connect? Hold on a second. Oh... Oh, I see. Uh-oh. Okay, no, never mind. Jeez, I am really... It's just a door. It's just a door. It'll be fine, because it'll print just like this. Because see, these got cut down a tiny bit lower, but that'll work because it's going to print upward. So, wow, I'm just overthinking it. Okay, drop that down. We're going to need 2 of them, so let's just make another one. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, we got to make a doorknob. I mean, that should be pretty easy. Well, we got to make 2 of them. Yeah, let's just... Do we want a doorknob or kind of like a weird curvy handle? I kind of just want a doorknob. Do we make a doorknob? We already made a doorknob on something, didn't we? Okay, well, let's just make another one. Okay, why don't we start with something like that? I want to make it so it doesn't have to, it won't need supports, you know? Okay, let's combine these. I mean, not combine them, line them up. Okay, this is nice and weird looking. Okay, put that over here. I'm just kind of winging it. So see, here's the little post that the doorknob would be on. We'll align it afterwards. And then what? Another one of these? And then, oh, maybe we could... Let's see, is there... Yeah. Should we try... We could do the doorknob something like this, couldn't we? Yeah, I don't see why not. Oh yeah, oops, oops, come on now. Yeah, look, we could even add to the sides. Yeah, there's doorknobs that have like this, like facets, you know? I kind of like that. Okay, we'll need to make it a tiny bit bigger, I think. This is, it's all different colors and goofy. Here, look. We can line everything up now. Ready? Boop. Boop. Dude. This is great. Let's see. It's over. Do we have to make this bigger? You get what I'm saying? It's a little weird. But we don't want these hanging over. Honestly, that's going to be so small, you're not even going to notice that. None of that. Okay, let's make it into a color, because this is weird. Dude! It's great. Okay, fine. We'll make this a little bigger. We just can't have the overhangs too crazy, or it's going to be weird. Okay, let's line it up one more time, and we could group it together. Then we'll just figure out the size. Oh, I feel like we could add one more. Let's add one more little detail. Do. Here, let's turn this white. Oops. Yeah, there we go. That's cool too. All right. One more time with the align. There we go. Is it too, here. Is this whole thing too, tall? Like, should we, well, here, let's group the whole thing because we like it. And what if we just squat it down a little bit? Yeah. Okay. Hey, we did good. I hope our door's not too mundane. Troy's is probably got to have dragons flying across it and bulls with nose rings for knockers. Okay, we could just have a giant doorknob. How about that? JK. Okay. So let's make this a lot smaller. And let's make sure it makes sense. Where would we put this thing? Up by the lock up here? Okay, let me look at a real door. I think that is... Actually, that's probably good. I mean, I guess we should probably keep it lined up with this, with the lock. I hope this isn't too high up. Because we don't want to redo this part. Okay. I'd say that's good. We don't want to make this doorknob much smaller, or it's not going to print very good, probably. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll go with that. Okay, so now we just have to drop this to the ground and duplicate it. So we need 2 of them. Yeah, I'll just glue this stuff on afterwards, like a little model kit, you know? It'll be great. Okay, let's just add... Let me think. Let's add one more. This is really blank down here. Let's add something down here, and I think we'll be able to start printing and see if the hinges work. Okay, hold on one second. I got to think of something to add here. Something quick. Okay, let's try something here. Quick. Let's cut the top off of this pyramid. Let's see. Maybe like right there? Sure. Okay, group. Okay, see if we cut the top off of this and then smash it flat. This could make a pretty cool, yeah. Yeah. Hey, this was actually pretty cool, I think. Let's see. Yeah. This is exactly what I was picturing. Kind of like just a decorative thing. Here, let's make it white so it doesn't look so weird. Yeah. See? Hold on. It might be too tall still. It's just got to be subtle. Oh yeah, that's way too tall. Well, actually, we're going to have these on there. Well, here, let's... We almost have to grab one of these and kind of visualize. La 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 dee. Okay. Okay. We don't have to line it up perfect. Okay, let me just see. It still looks like this is... Yeah. This is still sticking up too much. So let's make this flatter. Jeez. Is that even sticking up now? Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. 0.1. Here, let's do 0.5. Nah, we're going to have to at least do... Just so it prints good, let's at least do 1 millimeter. Okay. Is this going to work? Yeah, because see, a lot of doors have like some kind of weird little texture on them like this. Well, here, maybe we should just get a look at our door now. Yeah. Okay, let's grab one of the knobs. Here, can't we use the cruising feature here? Oops, I already screwed it up. Okay, cruising feature. Oh. Did I do it? Oh yeah, that time it worked. Uh-oh, I'm still wondering if our doorknob is too Gonna end up too high up. Oh dear. Oh yeah, good thing we tested it out, because look, it might even hit this. Oh, maybe not. Oh, here. Okay, let's put that down. Oh. Oh yeah, see, we were a lot higher up than I thought. There. Okay, yeah, I like this. This is awesome. So each side will have this. Each side will have this. This doorknob is still a little too high, but I think we'll just go with it. So yeah, we'll need 2 of these. Set this up here. Okay, drop that to the ground and duplicate. Alright, so we have a lot of stuff to print out here. And we also have the frame. There we go, there's everything. Alright, I guess the only thing to do now is to get printing and see if it actually swings open and closed, because that seems important. So I wonder if I should just print this and this first. I'll just print it all. Okay, see you guys in a second. And whoa, there we go, guys. Oh my gosh, look. Now, is that a door or is that a door? That is a door. Congratulations. Check it out. Ready? Dude, look at how, like, just realistic and accurate it is. Okay, I gotta admit something, though. This morning, I woke up and I had to glue, because I had to glue these parts on, because I glued the other side yesterday with some better glue that takes a while to dry. So this morning, I had to glue the parts, this and this and this, onto this door, or on this side of the door, but I forgot to put in the window, like the plastic that I was going to put in there, so I was going to make it look like it had glass in here, but I would have to do that before I glued this on. So just pretend, use your imagination. This is supposed to have glass in here. Otherwise, everything looks awesome. I'm definitely minusing myself points for using the little metal nail as the hinge. It works absolutely awesome, but technically it's not 3D printed. Can we, let's see if we can focus on that. Oh yeah, look at that. See, it's got a tiny little nail in there. Look at how great it is. It seems like that would last a long time too. Yeah, look at everything. It looks so great. Oops, shaky tripod. We have this nice little base, and you know what? This little knob, this little ball that fits into the other, it works perfectly. Let me make sure. Watch, listen. See, it's like closed. So it actually like locks closed. So, and it's got this nice base. So just kind of like a simple, realistic looking door. It's really awesome. And it only opens the one way. We did that on purpose. It's got the little ridge right here, the little stopper. It's awesome. I will admit, I got a sneak peek of Troy's though, and he might have kicked my butt this time. No. But, and I already have to minus myself points by using the little metal hinge, the metal nail for the hinge anyway. So I haven't seen Troy's full video clips that he sent, but I got a sneak peek. So we're going to have to take a look at his now. Bye.
Hello, and welcome to my most ambitious project yet. This one, whoofda, Yeah, this one was a doozer. Um, man, where do I even start? The hinge itself that you're watching right now, that took me probably about an hour to get the hang of. And the rest of it, which you'll see in a couple minutes here, the door, over the course of, I don't even remember how long, a couple weeks maybe it took me, um, about 8 hours. So this is essentially an 8 hour video that I sped up 1000%. And even then, it still dropped it to, I want to say it was like 48 minutes. From that 48-minute video, I basically had to cut out all the just the little non-essential kind of stuff that you probably didn't need to see, just to kind of shrink it down to overall about a 7-minute video. Whew. But it was a fun challenge. I'm really like just proud that I did it. And as tough as some of it was, like just kind of overcoming the hurdles and things I had to overcome, all that kind of fun stuff. Like it was a tough one, but you know what? I think it worked out really well in the end, as you'll see in just a couple minutes here. But what you'll notice when we get through the hinge stuff, when I start working on the door in a second here, is the door might seem familiar to you. So we'll see if you can guess where it's from before you see the final product. All right. And here is where I officially start the door. So I will let you watch, comment, whatever you want to do. Have at it. And we'll see the finished product in just a few.
Oh, hello there. Can I talk? Am I allowed? I can't help myself. I gotta do my own voiceover now. Okay. Wow. For one thing, that hinge is awesome. Dude, we did like my whole door in like an hour. So, Troy gets major props for putting the time in. Oh, now my hinge is stupid. So, okay, pay attention. I'm gonna watch with you guys, okay? So actually, this is the first time I've seen this also. So, I'm just going to watch and talk because I'm good at talking. Oh yeah, I see. He's getting some 3D structure. And like he said, you guys might recognize this door soon, or by the end you will, because I actually got cheated. I got a little sneak peek of the finished door before I watched any of this when he sent me the clip. So he is actually copying specific texture of an actual door that most people would recognize, or you'll know about it when it's told what it is. I'm so good at talking. Okay. Oh yeah. So lots of little details. Very cool. Oh yeah, I was gonna use some of them. I hate how they connect at the corners. Like at the very corner where these two like half cylinders connect. Oh, I guess. Wow, yeah, if you took your time to do it right. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so dumb. Why didn't I do it like that? Hey, I'm learning. I'm learning from Troy. Oh yeah. Wow, this is cool. Actually, yeah, I was going to use them little half cylinders too, but I didn't want to do the corners. And now I know how to do them.
Yay!
Oh yeah, Troy's putting so much more time into it. I think he kicked our butts, guys. No. No, I'm happy for him. Okay, doorknobage. I wonder if he had to print anything separate. Because I sure did. Oh, he probably just... Oh, he probably printed it with supports standing up already. Geez, I probably could have done that too. Woo! Oh my gosh! We forgot a keyhole. We did. Not just me. You subscribers. I should have had a live chat. Ah, keyhole, guys. Oh no. Oh yeah, okay. He's doing this outer border thing, door frame, which by the end you would recognize. Maybe. It's certainly, once he showed me the reference photo, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Wow, yeah, I should have. Hey, I was like, hey, there's a doorknob. Oh, I should have chosen a cooler door. My door's only going to be cool to like a retired guy that worked at Menards for 30 years. He'll be like, that looks like the model JM 72 incher. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, yeah, he's doing some little inlays. I could see. And see, he's got to do the inlays just like the real one. I'm doing air quotes. I don't want to give it away yet. Ah. Oh, yeah, we got a flower. Oh, SpongeBob flower. You know them flowers in the sky behind SpongeBob's house? Oh, here we go. I better let him talk.
After many, many hours of designing and printing, for that matter, I would say it was roughly about 8 hours in total, done over the course of a couple weeks because I was kind of busy with the holidays and work and whatnot. And then the printing time was even longer, but I finally got it done. You ready to check it out? As you may have seen from the Tinkercad design footage that I sent over, it is, drum roll please, boom,
Yeah.
right there. I went for the, I don't know if you recognize the theme at all here, but it's Booze Door from Monsters, Inc. That Disney Pixar movie. I tried to make it as accurate as I could, down to all the designs in the gray part here. That's as accurate as I could make it. Even the little nuts and bolts in there, and this little, red light, this trim, the flowers. I don't know if I got the colors exactly right on the flowers, but, they're awesome either way. This part actually was super tough to get these curves in here. These little lip curves. That's why you can see a little bit of imperfections there, but you know what? I'm fine with it. It took forever. I'm good. Now, the real test. Does it open and close? Let me just take my little doorknob here. It does. It's hard to do one-handed, but there you go. Ta-da! Just to give you an idea, I will show you the hinge on the back side here. I even made my hinges gold as well, but there they are. I put 3 of them on, to make it as realistic as possible, but da-da-da-da! There it is. It opens and closes. Man, that one was a doozy. I don't know why I came up with that idea, but you know what? It was a challenge, and I kind of dug it, especially as I was getting near the finish line. Thank God for that. But whoo-da. And as you can see, I made it jumbo size too. I knew right off the bat, I was like, when I make a door, I want it to be kind of big. I want to really just show the depth and the detail of that door. So as you can see, this thing's probably a good, just guesstimating, it's probably a good foot tall for sure. Like, this is my hand in front of it right here. Let me just lay it down quick. Try not to break it. This is my hand on the door right here. It's a big one, Mr. Grinch. Alrighty. Whew. Another one down. 3rd challenge down. Alright. Bring it on. What you got for a door? I'm sure yours is going to be pretty sweet and amazing as well. Yours always is. But, Monsters, Inc., Booze Door, pretty sweet, right? Alright. On to you, sir.
Oh my goodness. After seeing Troy's door, there's only one thing to do. Just kidding. I love my door. It's just not as cool. I am going to have to concede. Troy, you won this one, buddy. You put the work in it, and you got the results. Was that a good presentation, PowerPoint, motivational speaker, Matt Foley speech? I love my door still, but it's very simple and boring. We should have picked a themed door as well, like the Stargate. I learned my lesson. Don't be boring. Awesome. Hey, good job, Troy. You rocked it. I can't wait to see that door. Man, so that his door's like this tall, dude. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, his door's really big. All right, Troy, you'll have to bring that door over next time you come over. I'll see if I can fit through it. I'll just stop eating at McDonald's all the time. All right. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Once in a while, we do these challenges, and we'll probably do another one probably in a couple weeks or something. Whenever Troy's recovered. Now, Troy, you know what it feels like to get deep in a project and just feel almost overwhelmed, like what I've done doing that truck and doing that dragon. Both of them, I had that same feeling. So I know that weird burnt out feeling that you're just like, I'm glad it's over. But you made something awesome, and you took the W on that one. All right, like and subscribe, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.